Someone asked me, my contract says 90 days notice period, but I can only give 30 days notice and I can pay for rest 60 days. But my company says no. What can I do? Welcome to day 21 of UAE Labor Law Revision, and let's make it very simple. First, check your contract. As per the UAE labor law, your notice period can be anything between 30 days and 90 days. And if you agree to a 90 days notice period, normally that's your notice period. Now, what's the way out? First is go and ask your employer, can we please reduce the notice period to 30 days? Because as per the UAE labor law, both the parties can agree in writing to either reduce the notice period, आप उसे कम कर सकते हो, और just waive the notice period, आप उसको एकदम हटा सकते हो. Now whatever is the agreement, make sure it is in writing. But what if company मान ही नहीं रही, company still says no and you also cannot serve 90 days notice period. So Article 43 of the labor law says compensation is payable for the part of the notice you did not serve. मतलब 60 days जो आप notice serve नहीं कर रहे हो, out of that 90 days आपको उस part के लिए compensation देना पड़ेगा. Now here I want to tell you something very very important. One, this compensation will be calculated not on the basis of your basic salary but your last wage. Second, you can't just disappear from work. You can't just think that okay, tomorrow I will pay 60 days ka basic salary and then I'll stop going to the work. No, you need to handle your exit properly, and in case there's a dispute, then you have to contact More and then do everything legally. So remember, first ask for shorter notice period, and if the company does not agree, second, understand how much compensation you have to pay. Third, exit properly. Hope this helps. Thank you. Stay informed.